Have you ever wondered how to make your first $1 million on YouTube? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact strategies that helped YouTubers hit their first $1 million milestone. In 2024, MrBeast, the world's richest YouTuber, made over $85 million just from ad revenue alone. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. MrBeast and the most successful YouTubers make the majority of their income from other sources that most people don't even know about. So stick around, because I'm about to break down the step-by-step roadmap to hit that $1 million goal on YouTube, and I'll share the secret money-making formula right now. The first step to building a $1 million YouTube channel is picking the right niche. Not all views are created equal when it comes to revenue. A video about finance, investing, or insurance can generate an RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, of up to $50, while comedy videos might only bring in $2. That means with 1 million views, you could earn $50,000 versus just $2,000. That's a huge difference. The top RPM niches start with personal finance and investing. Next is business and making money online, followed by real estate. After that, we have legal matters and insurance, as well as business software and tech. Finally, health and fitness complete this list of high-paying areas. So if you want to earn more, focus on creating content around these high RPM topics. Now let me tell you about a potential game-changing tip. Where your viewers are located actually matters a lot. Targeting audiences in countries like the US, Canada, Australia, UK, France, Spain, and other developed nations will boost the value of each view. Why? Because viewers in these countries have higher incomes, advertisers pay more to show ads on your videos, and you earn more money per view. Developing countries like Vietnam, Thailand, India, Indonesia have viewers with lower incomes, so view values are 5 to 10 times lower than developed countries. This is how YouTubers like MrBeast, Graham Stephan, Ali Abdaal, and Peter McKinnon built $1 million channels just from ad revenue. But if you really want to hit that $1 million mark, ads should just be your starting point. Let's look at the next strategy. Building a powerful affiliate marketing system. Listen, becoming a YouTube millionaire requires way more than just counting on ads. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to make money if you know how to use it right. Instead of promoting cheap products with tiny commissions, focus on expensive products with high payouts. Think about online courses that pay you 30 to 50% commission. There are even software companies that pay you 20 to 50% every single month, and financial products that can pay you $200 to even $1,000 for each customer. Let me personally share with you a real example. Someone in the investing space promoted an online trading platform and made $50,000 from just one customer, even though their channel only had 10,000 subscribers. My channel only has about 1,000 subscribers, and I promoted a $1,200 course and earned a $1,000 commission for one customer I referred through my link. The trick is creating helpful content that teaches people how to solve problems, then showing them affiliate products as the solution. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission from that sale. Here's the beautiful part. Your videos can continue generating revenue for months, even years after you publish them, as long as viewers keep clicking your links and buying. And look, you don't need to sell out your content. Just make sure the product actually solves your viewers' problems. This is just scratching the surface of YouTube's earning potential. To get closer to that $1 million mark, let's look at strategy number 3. Sponsorships. The $1 million YouTuber secret. MrBeast averages 100 million views per video, and by estimates, those views generate between $200,000 to $500,000 in ad revenue. However, it doesn't stop there. Brands are paying massive amounts of Nikes up to $3 million to appear in MrBeast's videos. That's way more than the ad revenue the video brings in. These are called sponsorship deals, where brands pay YouTubers to be featured in their videos. The truth is, top YouTubers rarely reveal the real numbers they get from sponsorship contracts. But this is where the massive earning potential lies. Here's how sponsorship pricing usually works based on view counts. Small channels get about $20 to $50 per 1,000 views. Medium channels get $50 to $100 per 1,000 views. And large premium channels can get $100 to $500 per 1,000 views. This means a video with 100,000 views could land a sponsorship deal worth $5,000 to $10,000, while a video with 1 million views could earn $50,000 to $500,000 from sponsorships. So, how do you land these high-paying sponsorship deals? To start, it's important to create high-quality, professional content. Once you have that, focus on building a community of viewers who actively watch and comment. Working with an agent or network can also be beneficial. Finally, make sure to target brands with bigger budgets in your industry. But we're not done yet. This is the strategy that million-dollar YouTubers use to truly control their empire. Before I share this, I want to pause for a second. If you're finding these strategies helpful, smash that like button and subscribe right now so you don't miss the latest YouTube money-making secrets every week. Now let's continue with the most powerful strategy that almost all million-dollar YouTubers use. Developing your own products. Million-dollar YouTubers all have one thing in common. They sell their own products. Ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships all have limits because you only get a small piece of the money. With your own products, you keep 100% of the profit. MrBeast has tons of products like his snack company, burger chain, Feastables chocolate brand, and his new show with Amazon Studios called Beast Games. Just the Feastables chocolate brand alone is estimated to bring in $500 million in revenue annually. Now, we're not MrBeast, so my best advice is to sell high-ticket products that make you big profits. A few options really stand out when considering the highest profit product types. First, premium online courses that typically range from $1,000 to $2,000. Then we have group coaching programs, which can cost between $3,000 and $10,000. Another great option is software, priced from $10 to $100, $100 per month per user, providing steady income. Paid communities range from $50 to $200 each month. And lastly, digital services that usually fall between $100 and $1,000. If you're skilled at video editing, you could sell an in-depth course on video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Or if you have a business channel, tons of people want to learn advanced skills and are willing to pay to learn from you, so you could sell a training program on entrepreneurship or making money online. Take me for example. I'm good at making money on YouTube, so I've created and sold complete YouTube channel building services, channel growth services, channel advertising services, channel building training and coaching programs, and AI software for video creation and YouTube channel growth. A YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers could easily sell 500 courses at $1,000 each and make $500,000 in revenue with almost no costs after creating the course. The key to success is building products that solve specific problems your audience has, creating value that's better than your free content, and setting up automated sales systems. This is how one YouTuber I know hit the $1 million mark in just 18 months with a channel under 200,000 subscribers. But to truly scale, you need to understand this. Building a team to scale up? One of the biggest mistakes content creators make is trying to do everything by themselves. The reality is, no $1 million YouTuber does everything by themselves. Look at the most successful YouTubers. They all have their own teams. They don't do everything solo. Usually, they would hire researchers and scriptwriters, professional video editors, people who upload videos and handle SEO, channel managers, and way more. This helps them produce more content, increase income faster, and continue expanding their YouTube channel into a real business. You can start by hiring freelancers part-time, then expand to full-time employees as revenue grows. Put at least 30 to 40% of your profits back into expanding your team and making better quality videos. This approach lets you publish more content without burnout, create better content to attract more viewers, develop multiple income streams simultaneously, and focus on the most important activities. This is how MrBeast and top YouTubers built empires worth hundreds of millions. Start with a small team and gradually expand as revenue increases. But to truly hit that $1 million, you need this final strategy: diversifying income streams. MrBeast is incredibly wealthy, but he always reinvests what he earns. $1 million YouTubers never rely on just one income source. Many successful YouTubers use a combination of all the strategies we mentioned to build their careers. They focus on building personal brands while also selling physical products, which helps them connect more with their audience. They often use the money they make from YouTube to invest in things like real estate or stocks, creating long-term wealth. In addition to that, they engage in long-term partnerships with major brands as ambassadors. Live events, including workshops, performances, and fan meetups, are also a big part of their strategy. Some even secure publishing deals to sell books. When you look at the revenue breakdown for many million-dollar YouTubers, it usually includes about 20% from YouTube ads, 30% from sponsorships, 40% from their own product sales, and the remaining 10% comes from other sources. This approach not only makes the most money, but also protects you from YouTube algorithm changes or advertising policy shifts. All right, let's recap. Here's the complete roadmap for hitting that $1 million mark on YouTube. First, you want to pick a niche that's really valuable. Next, don't just count on ad revenue. There are other ways to bring in money. One great strategy is to create and sell products or services that relate to your content. Then, reinvest your profits to grow your channel even more, and consider bringing on a team to help. Finally, setting up some automation systems can really save you time and streamline everything. With these steps, you're on your way to success. Which strategy do you like most? Creating your own products or landing sponsorship deals? Are there any other strategies you've seen $1 million YouTubers use that I didn't mention? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more online money-making strategies every week. If you want to learn how ordinary people are building their own $1 million online businesses, click the link below this video to get free guidance.